Did you know that AI can cut down video editing time by up to 75%? That means more time for creativity and less time stuck in front of a screen. The world of video editing is rapidly evolving, and AI tools are at the forefront of this revolution. With the rise of social media and the increasing demand for high-quality content, video editors are under more pressure than ever to produce engaging videos quickly and efficiently. That's where AI tools come in. They're designed to enhance the editing process, streamline workflows, and unlock new levels of creativity. As creators, we know how time-consuming video editing can be. From sorting through hours of footage to fine-tuning audio levels, the process can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that AI tools can help you cut down on editing time, giving you more freedom to focus on the creative aspects of your project? In today's video, we're going to explore the best AI tools for video editing, discuss their features, benefits, and how they can address common challenges faced by video editors. Video editors face a multitude of challenges on a daily basis. One of the biggest hurdles is time constraints. We've all been there, staring at a deadline, wondering how we're going to get everything done on time. Another challenge is the complexity of video editing software. With so many features and settings, it's easy to get bogged down in the details. And let's not forget the need for creative inspiration. Sometimes, it can be tough to come up with new ideas or approaches to storytelling. Time constraints can be stressful, to say the least. You're racing against the clock to meet a deadline, and every minute counts. But what if you could cut down on editing time, giving you more breathing room to focus on the creative aspects of your project? That's exactly what AI tools can do. They're designed to streamline your workflow, automating repetitive tasks, and freeing up more time for creativity. Complexity can be overwhelming, especially for those new to video editing. With so many features and settings to navigate, it's easy to get lost in the weeds. But AI tools can help simplify the process, providing intuitive interfaces and automating complex tasks. Creative inspiration is essential for any video editor. Without it, your projects can start to feel stale and unengaging. But with AI tools, you can tap into a wealth of new ideas and approaches, helping you to stay fresh and innovative. Another challenge video editors face is the sheer volume of footage they have to sort through. Whether it's hours of interview footage or days worth of B-roll, sifting through all that content can be a daunting task. But AI tools can help, providing advanced sorting and filtering capabilities that make it easy to find the perfect clip. Color correction and grading can be a challenge, especially for those without extensive experience in these areas. But AI tools can help, providing advanced color correction and grading features that are easy to use and produce stunning results. Audio editing can be a nightmare, from syncing audio tracks to removing background noise. But AI tools can help, providing advanced audio editing features that make it easy to get the perfect sound. The list of challenges video editors face goes on and on. But the good news is that AI tools are here to help, providing innovative solutions to these common problems. These AI tools, and how can they help? In the next section, we're going to explore the best AI tools for video editing, discussing their features, benefits, and how they address common challenges faced by video editors. One of the most popular AI tools for video editing is Luma.ai, a platform that uses machine learning to automate repetitive tasks and provide advanced video analysis features. With Luma.ai, you can cut down on editing time, identify areas for improvement, and get more out of your footage. Another AI tool is Adobe Premiere Pro's AI-powered editing feature, which uses machine learning to help you find the perfect clip, automate video editing, and even provide advanced audio editing features. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Premiere Pro's AI-powered editing feature is a game changer. Wibbits is another AI tool that's making waves in the video editing community. This innovative platform uses AI to create short-form videos in just minutes, complete with advanced animations, transitions, and even voiceovers. Whether you're creating social media content or internal communications, Wibbits is a must-have. There are countless AI tools available for video editing, each one offering unique features and benefits. From automating repetitive tasks to providing advanced video analysis features, these tools are designed to enhance your workflow and unlock new levels of creativity. One standout AI tool that offers a revolutionary feature is Runway.ml, a platform that uses AI to enable real-time video editing. With Runway.ml, you can edit video in real time, making it perfect for live events, sports broadcasts, and even social media content. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, Runway.ml is an absolute game changer. Imagine being able to edit video in real time without having to wait for rendering or processing. It's a game changer for video editors, and it's exactly what Runway.ml offers. In addition to its real-time video editing feature, Runway.ml also provides advanced AI-powered video analysis tools, making it easy to identify areas for improvement and get the most out of your footage. So, what are the key takeaways from today's video? First, AI tools are revolutionizing the world of video editing, providing innovative solutions to common challenges faced by video editors. Second, there are a multitude of AI tools available, each one offering unique features and benefits. And third, by incorporating AI tools into your workflow, you can unlock new levels of creativity, streamline your workflow, and get more out of your footage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you've had any experiences with AI tools, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about video editing and technology.